Did you know there is an entire city carved into stone that was lost for centuries and then rediscovered in the middle of the desert? That city is Petra in Jordan, also known as the Rose City. Today I am sharing 10 fascinating facts about this mysterious wonder of the world. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are traveling to one of the most mysterious and breathtaking places in the world, Petra in Jordan. Some call it the Rose City, others call it the Lost City. But one thing's for sure, Petra is unlike any other place on earth. Fact number 1, the Lost City. For centuries, Petra was hidden from the outside world. Local Bedouin knew of it, but to Western travelers, it was a complete mystery until 1812, when a Swiss explorer named Johann Barkhoth rediscovered it. That is why it's often called the Lost City. Fact number 2, carved into stone. Unlike most cities that are built with bricks or wood, Petra is actually carved directly into pink and red sandstone cliffs. When the sunlight hits, the whole city glows with warm rose colors. That is how it got its famous nickname, the Rose City. Fact number 3, a thriving trade hub. Petra wasn't just beautiful, it was powerful. Around the 4th century BC, it became the capital of the Nabatean kingdom. Because of its perfect location, Petra controlled the trade routes that connected Arabia, Egypt, and the Mediterranean. This made the Nabateans incredibly wealthy. Fact number 4, the treasury's secrets. The most iconic spot in Petra is Al Khazaneh, or the treasury. It's nearly 40 meters high and carved with incredible details. Legends once said it held treasures of pharaohs, but in reality, it's believed to be a royal tomb. Even today, its purpose is still surrounded by mystery. Fact number 5, advanced water system. Now here's something fascinating. Petra was built in the desert, yet the Nabatean were water geniuses. They built canals, dams, and underground cisterns to store water. This smart engineering kept the city alive in such a harsh climate. Fact number 6, tombs, not houses. When you walk through Petra, you will see massive, elaborate facades carved into the cliffs. But here is the twist. Most of them were not houses, they were tombs. The Nabateans believe in honoring their dead with incredible architecture. Fact number 7, the Roman touch. After the Romans took over Petra in 106 AD, they built colonnaded streets, temples, and even an amphitheater that could seat more than 3,000 people. So, when you walk through Petra, you are actually seeing a mix of Nabateans and Roman influence. Fact number 8, a World Heritage Site. Fast forward to modern times. In 1985, Petra was officially recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. UNESCO even described it as one of the most precious cultural properties of man's cultural heritage. Fact number 9, one of the new 7 wonders. And in 2007, Petra got another badge of honor. It was voted as one of the new 7 wonders of the world. That puts it right up there with places like the Great Wall of China and Machu Picchu. Fact number 10, Petra in pop culture. And of course, Petra's beauty did not stay a secret for long. Hollywood came knocking. If you have seen Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade, then you have already seen Petra on the big screen. That iconic scene at the treasury made Petra instantly recognizable around the world. So there you have it, 10 incredible facts about Petra, the Rose City of Jordan. From a hidden desert city to one of the world's greatest wonders, Petra is proof of just how creative and advanced ancient civilizations really were. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Drop it down in the comments, I would love to know. And if you enjoyed this journey through history, make sure to like the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.